Your hair looks longer than last June.
Smoother, it's not bitter. I love it. I want to try. This is a coconut milk latte. I can't really taste the coconut. It's not that sweet. And Northeast. I like green flash coffees. Coconut milk latte better.
Oh, that's very subtle.
어, 그치?
Yeah, and I'll add up the fire. Really?
So mad, I know that it's easier said than done. It feels like it's hopeless. Begging, please hold on. Maybe reason, tossing and turning. It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So fight, said or get something. Hurt you. I'm sorry. You know I never meant to. We haven't lost our way. Separated me, but I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done. It feels like it's hopeless. Begging, please hold on. Maybe reason, tossing and turning. It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. Keep on trying up.
와. 여기 소이 소스도 있어.
맛있어?
부드러워.
맛있는데?
응. fluffy. It's like fluffy donut.
guava야?
You can like taste the subtle guava. 전체적으로 맛있네. Now we're at the black sand beach. I'm seeing the beach right now and it's literally black. That's so cool. 봐봐.
우와. 오 진짜 차갑다. 근데 볼이 많네.
We're at the Volcanoes National Park. We're planning on staying here for like 2.5 hours approximately, so we're just gonna hit different points in the park and head back. Our first stop is Sulphur Banks. So we're on our way there. It's so peaceful, so much green. And the weather is so funky. It's like raining slightly and the wind is kind of cold, but it's too hot to wear a jacket, but it's too cold to not wear a jacket. Very weird.
Still bouncing.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you.
This place is so cool. You can play video games while eating. That's so cool.
눌러줘야 돼. 피를 바르려.
We gotta suck at this game.
어떻게 하는 거지? 나 1등이다. 우와.
어떻게 한 거야?
Where are you going?
I don't know. We're at Mauna Kea again for the second time because we realized our way back to Kona from Hilo, it passes through Mauna Kea, and because we didn't get to see the stars yesterday, we decided to come back and see the stars this time. So we were not in the appropriate outfit for this weather, so we quickly stopped by TJ Maxx and grabbed some blankets and sweaters. So I think we're somewhat prepared for this experience. Hopefully we'll find a parking spot to see the stars tonight. That's cute. We're back at Green Flash because it was so good and we needed to get another coffee here. This time we tried a giant Duya coffee and a green smoothie. Apparently smoothie here is also great. Whoa. 아니 되게 apple. You can taste the apple. 맛있는데?
맛있네.
이런 데는 오빠 들어.
Yeah, I guess it's my day. We all knew it would come. Used to walk off my injuries, now I'm ready to run. I just hope that you with me.
It's like purple. So buttery. I love it. So good. You guys should try it out. Guys, we found turtles. Keep it quiet, keep it quiet. They're just like basking in the sun. Very nice. 오빠 미쳤어. 와. there's ocean.
Forest.
저기 ocean 있어.
It was a partial ocean view.
Yeah.
So it's a partial.
Exactly. Hello. Hello. Open sesame. Whoa.
Oh,
That's huge. Oh.